So today we are going to learn about auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are helping verbs. These are little words that help the main verbs in a sentence. There are three main types of auxiliary verbs: be, have, and do. Let's start with be. This verb helps make continuous tense and the passive voice. She is reading a book. The cake was eaten by them. Now let's move on to have. This one helps with perfect tenses to show that something has already happened or will happen. I have finished my work. They had left before we arrived. Next we have do. It helps us make questions, negatives, or even add emphasis. Do you like coffee? I do not like onions. I do enjoy watching movies. So do help us from questions like do you, make negative sentences like I do not, and emphasizes things like I do love it. Now let's talk about modal auxiliary verbs. These verbs tell us about possibility, ability, necessity, and more. I can swim. She will arrive soon. You must try this. These are all examples of auxiliary verbs. Modal verbs like can, will, and must help us talk about what's possible, what will happen, or what is necessary. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed learning today.